In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create digital store in System.io. To get started, go to the top menu and click Funnels. In the top right corner, click Create. This will begin the setup for your new digital store funnel. When the setup window appears, enter a name for your digital store. Choose a name that is easy to recognize, especially if you plan to create multiple funnels later. Next, select Sell a product or service as your funnel goal. This option is designed for selling offers directly, which makes it the right choice for a digital store. After that, choose the currency you want to use for your store, then click Save. Once the funnel has been created, click on the name of your new funnel to open it. Inside the funnel, look at the left-hand column and click the default order form step. This is the page where customers will view your offer and complete their purchase. You will then see a list of templates. Choose an order form or product page template that fits the style of your digital product and click Select. After selecting the template, click the Edit Page icon, which looks like a magic wand on the right side. This opens the Page Builder, where you can customize the look and content of your store page. Update the text so it clearly describes your digital product. Adjust the layout fields as needed to match the information you want to show. You can also upload images of your digital products to make the page more appealing and easier for visitors to understand. Once your edits are complete, click Save Changes in the top right corner. Then click the exit icon shown as an arrow pointing right to return to the funnel dashboard. Now move to the automation setup. At the top of your funnel page dashboard, click Automation Rules. Then click Add Rule and choose New Sale. This trigger runs when a contact buys a product, so it is useful for setting up what should happen after a purchase is made. After the rule is created, click on the newly created rule, and then click Add Action. This is where you continue building the automation connected to a successful sale. When you are done, save the rule to keep your setup in place. At this point, your digital store funnel is created, your page is customized, and your sales automation rule has been started. That covers everything you need to know.